Here's a really good gem of planning here in the Vermont and Essex layout. Here you see the cliff face of the of where they quarry all the rocks, and then you have a track in the back there. That track is actually used. There's a switch up there, and then it comes down around here where that green bridge is. And then in the foreground here, and then it comes up to here. So this is like its own little switching layout almost, which can be done using this shay. And it goes all the way up to here. So this track in the background here, with this bridge, is actually used. And it's got this great lake here too. Looks like it's even got lily pads and stuff. With all the debris and rock and everything like that. This is just a well done scene. And you can walk right through it, right into it. They call this Barre. So that'd be actually near Burlington. Yeah, really cool.